Hello everyone, welcome back to Simple Science Daily, where we unpack the most pressing scientific discoveries in a way anyone can understand. Today we are diving into the depths of the Antarctic, where scientists have been studying one of the most ominous glaciers on the planet, the Thwaites Glacier, better known as the Doomsday Glacier. This is a story of melting ice, rising seas, and what this could mean for the future of our planet. Since 2018, a team of scientists from the International Thwaites Glacier Collaboration (ITGC) has been studying this massive glacier, which is roughly the size of Florida. Their findings are alarming. The glacier is retreating faster than ever before, and it's likely on an irreversible path to collapse. And when it does, the consequences will be catastrophic. So why does this matter? Well, Thwaites holds enough water to raise global sea levels by more than 2 feet. But it's also acting like a giant cork, holding back the vast West Antarctic ice sheet. If Thwaites collapses, it could eventually trigger a chain reaction that leads to over 10 feet of sea level rise. Imagine the impact on coastal cities like Miami, London, or entire countries like Bangladesh. Scientists have been using some pretty cutting-edge technology to study the glacier. They have deployed ice-breaking ships and underwater robots like the torpedo-shaped ice fin. Ice fin reached the glacier's grounding line, the critical point where the ice begins to float. And what they found there was unsettling. Warm ocean water is seeping underneath the glacier, rapidly melting it from below. And it's not just about melting ice. The team also studied sediment cores from the seabed to understand the glacier's history. They found that Thwaites has been retreating since the 1940s, likely triggered by a strong El Nino event, a natural climate fluctuation that tends to warm things up. This means the glacier has been unstable for much longer than we thought. But not all the news is grim. Scientists found that while towering ice cliffs could form as the glacier retreats, leading to a catastrophic collapses, these cliffs might not be as unstable as we once feared. It's a small bit of good news, but make no mistake, the outlook remains dire. So what's next? Even if we manage to halt carbon emissions immediately, Thwaites might still be on an irreversible path to collapse. Some models suggest that the entire West Antarctic ice sheet could be gone by the 23rd century. This would lead to a rise in sea levels that could drown entire coastal regions. The scientists are calling for more research, but they are also clear. Time is running out. We are looking at decades, maybe centuries, of slow motion catastrophe if we don't take significant action on climate change. It's a reminder that what happens in Antarctica doesn't stay in Antarctica. And that's all for today's episode of Simple Science Daily. Join us next time as we explore the latest breakthroughs in science. But until then, remember the choices we make today can shape the world tomorrow. And until next time, goodbye and thank you.